So if you're looking for a camping light with a lot of features, this has a ton of them. I just want to show you the outside of it, what it looks like. It's really nice, well constructed. On the bottom side here, if you want, you can mount that into a tripod, and it even has a little hook right here. So you can hang that off on a hook, maybe inside a tent or something like that, just to give you more light. It also has 3 feet here. You just pull those out and it clicks like that. So in the bottom of the feet, this is anti-slip, and it has a little hole in there, and that allows you, if you want to go ahead and use these stakes that are provided to mount it to the ground. On the side right here, we've got 4 LEDs, and then we have a port. This is a charging port, and it also is used as a power bank. So this has a power bank of 15,600 milliamp hours. So that way you can go ahead and charge up any of your smart devices. And then you can see here, inside here, we've actually got a light. So we can have up to 3 lights, but if we click on the power button quickly, it'll pop right on. And then we've got all 3 lit up. So this does last anywhere from 8 hours all the way up to 102 hours. And also what you can do, you can pull that light out just like that. So you can see here it's telescopic. You can have these pointed up, or they actually twist down too. What I love about this too is you can extend this up to 66 inches. So it is going to help light a large area like I mentioned, and you can raise these up and go ahead and really disperse that light out. This also has 3 different color lights. Of course, we got the clear white light right here, more of a yellowish light, and then a red light. It also has an SOS function, and it even has a flashlight. You can turn it on by pressing the flashlight button, just one long press, and it's going to come on. It doesn't weigh much, right around 2.5 pounds. It is IPX5 waterproof, so of course it's definitely, since you're going to be camping with it, if it's out in the water, getting rained on, it's out in your middle of your campsite, it's not going to hurt it whatsoever. It's pretty versatile. I love all the different features that it does have, and I hope you found this review helpful.